Hi everyone, my name is Tony, and I'm going to show you how to maintain your Shark TurboBlade fan. It is recommended to clean and maintain your fan once every 6 months or as needed. Be sure to unplug the fan before doing any cleaning or maintenance. The Shark TurboBlade features a dust defense panel to make cleaning easier. Remove the dust defense panel from the unit by gently pulling on the finger tab. Please note that the mesh filter does not need to be removed unless there is debris stuck between the mesh and the exterior panel. Use a vacuum cleaner on a low speed with a soft brush attachment, or a towel or cloth to remove dust debris from the dust defense panel and the internal mesh screen. Do not use abrasive chemical cleaners. Allow the panel to fully dry for 12 hours before reinserting onto the unit. If debris is stuck in between the mesh filter and the dust defense panel, the mesh filter can be removed by gently pulling the mesh filter out of the tabs on the dust defense panel. Rinse the mesh filter and dust defense panel with room temperature tap water. Be sure to completely dry the screen and panel for 12 hours before reinstalling. Do not reinsert any components while they are damp. To clean the exterior unit, wipe down the exterior with a microfiber cloth dampened with warm, soapy water. Avoid excess water and abrasive chemical cleaners to prevent damage. Looking for more tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.